Good morning, sir. This is Dr. Prakash Chand Sati. Interested in teaching physics to the students. Therefore, I am presenting demo for the photon theory of light. Here we will understand what is the light and which type of its character. Light possesses dual character. One is wave character and another is the particle character. Depending on the situation, one of the two character dominants. When light pass through the double slit, it shows interference and diffraction. Such observation can be understood by the wave theory of light. Some another phenomena such as photoelectric effect and Compton effect, these effects can be understood by its particle nature of light. The particles of light have several properties similar to the materials particle and several other properties which are different from the materials particle. The particle of the lights are known as photons and they possess the following properties which are discussed below. A photon always travels at a speed of light which is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 to power 8 meter per second in vacuum. This is true for any frame of reference used to observe the photon. Next point is the mass of the photon is not defined in Newtonian mechanics. In other words, we can say that the rest mass of the photon is 0. Each photon has definite energy and definite linear momentum given as E बराबर h nu. H is the Planck's constant, nu is the frequency of light, and in terms of wavelength, nu is written as c upon lambda. Hence, the energy will be equal to E बराबर hc upon lambda, and the linear momentum is given as p बराबर h upon lambda. In terms of energy, it can be written as E upon c. H is the universal Planck constant having the values 6.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Thus, all photons of a particular wavelength have same energy and same momentum. A photon may collide with a material particle. In such collision, the total energy and total momentum will be conserved of the photon, but number of photons may not be conserved because photons may get absorbed or new photons emitted during the collision. If the intensity of light of a given wavelength is increased, then there will be increase in number of photons crossing a given area in a given time. Thus, energy of each photons will remain the same. For a given wavelength, energy of light is an integer times of hc upon lambda. In other words, we can say energy of light varies in steps of hc upon lambda. Therefore, photon theory of light is also known as quantum theory of light. Thank you.